there was a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper floating around up in the sky, and it reminded me of a scene in American Beauty from way back in the day. I think it was in the 90s when the filmmaker filmed a bag floating around, you know, and put so much meaning on like how empty life can be, or how are things thrown to and fro and stuff like that. It's about like a family reaching emptiness of some sorts, or it's, you know, it's been a while, but I totally understood it. So quiet this morning, complete silence where I live, and you know, it's noisy down here, the jackhammer. A lot of people have been wearing red, which is a notch higher on the Homeland Security scale than orange. Do you think it's done on purpose? If people knew what signaling meant. Because yesterday, I almost posted a video, but there's too much going on, or the day before, and all these people were wearing red on 17th Street. After, you know, it's been a while, but I started walking with an orange umbrella recently, and we have red hats, red coats, red this, red that. I don't really care. I kind of was like, oh, totally get the orange umbrella, you know, just because my banner is orange, and we've been eating a lot of oranges. Like, I've peeled over 500 mandarin oranges. Anyway, so then a whole bunch of people had to show up in red, like on 17th, and then here this morning. It's like with the two yellows splitting. Splitting atoms. Rosette. Maybe once I've seen this. I think of Rosetta Stone, but Rosette. Left hand pocket here, yellow hoodie, and Carpenter Union something like a right hand pocket, blue hoodie with DeWalt or similar bag, tool bag.